Hello everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to block someone on TikTok. Now to begin it, open the TikTok application on your phone device, and once you are logged in, you need to find a profile that you want to block on TikTok. So from TikTok, I'm just gonna choose a random person to show you how you can block someone on TikTok. So I'm gonna go to this profile and I'm gonna block this. For that, go to profile, swipe right. Then all you have to do is tap on the share icon on the top right, tap that, and there you will find the option report QR code block option. You tap on block. Once you block them, they will not be able to send you message, see your post or find your profile. So tap on block over here, and from then this person will not be able to contact you at all, and you won't be seeing their content on the TikTok as well. So this is the way how you can block someone on TikTok. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.